Living in Miami Beach offers beautiful ocean views, warm weather, and vibrant coastal living. But along with those benefits comes a reality every homeowner understands: hurricane season. Strong winds, flying debris, heavy rain, and storm surges are serious threats that require proactive protection. One of the most critical yet often overlooked defenses for your home is your exterior doors. Hurricane protection doors are not just an upgrade, they're an essential safeguard for Miami Beach homes. Protection against extreme winds during a hurricane. Wind speeds can reach dangerous levels. Standard doors may not be built to withstand the intense pressure created by high winds. If a door fails, wind can rush into the home, increasing internal pressure and potentially causing structural damage to walls and roofing. Hurricane protection doors are engineered to meet strict wind load requirements specific to coastal areas like Miami Beach. Reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and specialized anchoring systems work together to resist powerful wind forces. By maintaining the integrity of your home's entry points, these doors help prevent catastrophic damage during severe storms. Impact resistance from flying debris. Flying debris is one of the most dangerous aspects of hurricanes. Objects carried by strong winds can strike doors and windows with tremendous force. Hurricane protection doors often include impact-resistant laminated glass and reinforced materials that are tested to withstand debris impact. If the glass is struck, it may crack but remains bonded to an inner interlayer rather than shattering into dangerous pieces. This added protection keeps wind and water from entering your home and reduces the risk of injury. Defense against heavy rain and water intrusion. In Miami Beach, hurricanes are often accompanied by intense rainfall. Poorly sealed doors can allow water to seep inside, leading to interior water damage, mold growth, warped flooring, structural deterioration. Hurricane protection doors are designed with advanced weather stripping, compression seals, and tight-fitting thresholds to prevent wind-driven rain from entering your home. Professional installation ensures proper flashing and sealing, creating a watertight barrier that holds up during severe weather. Enhanced everyday security. While hurricane protection doors are designed for storms, they also provide daily security benefits. Reinforced construction and multi-point locking systems make these doors far more difficult to force open compared to standard entry doors. Impact-resistant glass adds another layer of protection against break-ins. For Miami Beach homeowners, this means enhanced peace of mind not only during storm season but throughout the year. Energy efficiency. In a hot climate, Miami Beach homes are exposed to intense sun and heat. Many hurricane protection doors include insulated cores and low-E glass options that help reduce heat transfer. By limiting air leakage and blocking excess solar heat gain, these doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your cooling system. Energy efficiency is an added benefit that supports lower utility bills and improved comfort. Compliance with local building codes. Miami Beach has some of the strictest building codes in the country due to its hurricane exposure. Hurricane protection doors are designed and tested to meet these requirements. Installing code-compliant doors ensures your home is properly protected and may also be beneficial for insurance purposes. Long-term value and peace of mind. Investing in hurricane protection doors adds long-term value to your property. Buyers in Miami Beach recognize the importance of storm-ready homes, and impact-rated doors are often viewed as a premium feature. More importantly, they provide peace of mind. When a storm approaches, knowing your home is equipped with strong, tested entry points makes a significant difference. A necessary upgrade for coastal living in Miami Beach, storm preparation is not optional, it's essential. Hurricane protection doors serve as a critical line of defense against wind, debris, and water intrusion. By upgrading to hurricane protection doors, you protect your home, your family, and your investment. In a coastal environment where severe weather is part of life, that level of protection is not just beneficial, it's necessary.